Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where we showcase the most creative and inspiring spaces from around the world. Today, we're stepping into the first floor of the Hermosa container home, a beautifully crafted space that combines industrial style with cozy modern living. From smart layout solutions to elegant finishes, this level of the home proves that container living can be both stylish and functional. Join us as we explore the heart of this unique residence, only here on Alvinsa Studio. This funky container house, first floor only, is on about half an acre and situated less than a mile from the heart of town. Located atop the highest point in town, deck views are primo. It's quiet and very dark. Star viewing can't be beat. A fenced yard corrals the pups. Swamp cooler keeps the temps comfortable. Full kitchen and washer dryer. Early risers can catch the javelinas wandering through the lot next door over morning coffee. Hammock. Upstairs is a separate rental. You have full use of the yard and main level decks. Upper deck goes with upstairs apartment. Full yard and decks on main level, not upstairs. There is no TV. If you want to watch movies, download some on your device before you come. There is wireless internet. Usually streaming works great, but it's randomly slow. The internet in Marfa randomly goes out, even though I use a TAN DT, which is probably the most reliable. If it's life or death for you to have internet, please keep this in mind. I don't give credits if it goes out. There is no central heating, air, but does have a swamp cooler and a mini split AC and heater in the bedroom. This home might be slightly hotter than you want on hot days and slightly cooler than you want on freezing days. If you are very sensitive to this, then it's better you find another spot. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of the first floor of the Hermosa container home, a space that blends smart design with comfort and elegance. From its efficient layout to its modern finishes, this level showcases just how versatile and beautiful container living can truly be. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more inspiring home designs and creative living spaces. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, only on Alvinsa Studio.